Have you ever wondered what Santa's workshop is really like? Maybe you believe it's similar to Hollywood's version. In mainstream media, elves wear pointy hats and are always jolly workers, but is that really the truth? Well, we went to the North Pole to document Santa's workshop to find out what it's really like, and this is what we found. This is the real Santa's workshop. When most people think of Santa's workshop, this is not normally what they think of. The media has portrayed it as a festive and jolly workshop, but that is far from the case.
Hi! Yeah, my name is Waldo. I've been an employee here at Santa's workshop for about 350 years. And I just want to say that this is quite possibly the best work environment. I mean, it's great. There are no personal grudges between people. It's one of the best working environments I've ever had the pleasure to work in. Santa is the coolest blast ever. He is. And, I mean, all of us employees, we really love each other. We're like a family here. So, you okay back there?
We use all the best materials in our production line. And our quality control is second to none.
So, what's a typical day for you look like?
Well, I clock in, go do my usual thing. This week I'm making bears, and last week I made dolls, but just go doing whatever. Hi, my name is Linda. I work here in ER at the North Pole, and we deal with complaints and new people, and just sort of help everybody in the office. Actually, today we have a case where one of the coworkers that complained about another coworker. So it's not a fun part of the job, but it has to be done. And it just helps make the Christmas process go a little bit smoother when it gets done. So. Come in.
Oh, hey, Linda. Oh, it's the camera guys. Hey, how you doing there? Okay. Hey, Linda, what's going on?
Hey,
What's going on?
We have some complaints from coworkers around the office about you.
Complaints? What is it the marshmallows and the hot chocolate?
No, it's
I went 40.
No, it's
30 wasn't enough. I went 40 or 50.
It's fine. It's fine.
50, no.
The hot chocolate to marshmallow ratio is just perfect. You're doing a great job with that. It's just something about you misbehaving in the office workspace.
Misbehaving.
Like pulling jokes.
I'd never pull a joke ever on anyone. Christmas is a very serious time, and I would never pull a joke on anybody. Who's saying this stuff about me?
I can't. That's private information that I can't.
Private? No. Someone accuses me. I need to know who it. Wait. Is it Frank? this Frank?
I can't tell you that for
It's
sure.
Frank. I know it's Frank. I know it's Frank. Hey, Linda, what's up? Hey! What's up, Waldo? What are you doing here?
I'm talking to Linda about a complaint I had.
Huh?
Someone's got Christmas spirit.
Oh, is that so? I don't have the Christmas
Well,
spirit.
I'm just saying. I mean, look at you.
Frank, I don't want to hear it from you, Frank.
You want to hear it?
Listen, just because Mom loves me more
Shut your mouth.
doesn't mean you get to pull this
No,
off.
you don't pull this on me.
It's my time of year.
I don't want to
Frank.
hear from you.
It's my time of year.
Your time of
I
year.
can't believe this. Linda, I will not accept
Linda,
this.
you're gonna accept it because
Frank-
he's
Frank
full of
has a
it.
problem.
No, he's full of it.
I'm sure there'll be some way.
You be quiet, you.
I wasn't saying anything. She was the one
Some
talking.
way we can just get this all resolved and get on with. And keep Christmas.
Yeah, I'll tell you how. Frank needs to stay in marketing and get out of the elves business,
Listen,
alright?
marketing is what makes you what you are.
Pros and cons.
Marketing makes
Pro,
you.
yeah, it's pro. I'm working. I'm an elf. I do all the work.
You think I don't work?
Frank there.
You think I don't do some work here?
But it's not even
I don't
us.
wanna
It's
hear
actors.
from you.
Not real ones.
Okay, well, I think we all just need to take some time to cool off, and we can come back and reassess the situation and have a much clearer headspace about this and get this all resolved in no time.
That's it. Okay.
I'm done.
And thank you so much for your hard work.
Wall Street.
Yeah, you better leave. You better leave. I'm gonna go back to work.
So what's your opinion on Christmas?
Well, it's the most joyful, wonderful time of the year. It's just full of happiness, joy, and presents. Well, I just love Christmas, seeing all those kids with happiness on their faces when they get their presents. It's just so heartwarming.
Christmas is great and all, but I'm more of a Flag Day type of guy myself, you know? You know what the most wonderful part about flags is that it's all sorts of flags, all sorts of colors. And I love colors. Red flags, there's blue flags, sometimes there's green flags, there's yellow flags, purple flags. Did I say blue flags? Well, there is blue flags. All sorts of flags. You can sit here and talk all day about flags, but gotta go back to work.
Hey, Phil, my main man, how you doing? Give me some of that hot chocolate. Oh yeah, look at that.
30 marshmallows.
30 marshmallows, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, yes. Oh, so good. Hey, did you hear about Janice? Oh, Janice. She was out there on the runway. You know where no one's supposed to be. There's even signs that say, don't go on the runway. And they're practicing some takeoffs and some landings, and Prancer goes right over. And she's in the hospital now. You mean Janice? My grandma? She got run over. Grandma got run over by a reindeer.
The stereotype is that all elves have high-pitched voices, but we learned that this is not always the case.
Hey, Carol! What you working on there?
I'm working on the naughty and nice list.
It's the holiday Christmas party. I'm so excited. I brought my very own boysenberry jam. It's like
It's the best. It's absolutely the best. But this is gonna be such an awesome party. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's just so much fun every year. All right, let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? Alright, woo, look at this.
I'm gonna put that here. Homemade jam. Boysenberry. Okay. Alright, what do we got here? We got, Roger! Where's Roger? He's got his peanut clusters here. I'm just gonna pop one in here. Ooh, something doesn't... That's okay. Oh! That's not right. That's not right. Do not eat those! That's bad. Something went bad. Yeah.
You know, Waldo is really the only one who likes these parties. I mean, they're pretty lame.
Hey guys, let's get this party started with some music. Ready? It's the greatest party we're having here. Best party ever, because longest one ever too. It was 5 minutes. That's a great party. It's a great party.
Of course, the ultimate goal of the elves is to make every child happy.
Oh boy, I hope it's a Nintendo Switch.
And in the end,
Wow, thanks Santa.
they did. This has been The Real Santa's Workshop.